welcome to SAP Medicare and Systems. My name is Richard, and in today's session we will be discussing about BPL's Acura V1 Volumetric Infusion pump. So as you can see, this is our package. So without any further delay, let's unbox this package and let's see how this device works and what are the specifications and how to use this device. Let's move on to the exterior features of this device. As you can find in the front side, you can find a 3.2-inch TFT LCD display. Below the display, you can find 3 buttons. These are our navigation buttons. And below that, you can find numerical button. And here, you can find start and stop button, purge and bolus button. This is our alarm mute indicator button. And here, you can find a light indicator. This light indicator indicates that the device is working. And here you can find on and off button. Here you can find battery indicator, as well as on the top you can find AC power indicator. In the front side of itself, you can find there is a separate compartment. This is a IV tube. You can just release this lock like this, and you can open. If you see inside, here only you should place your IV tubings. Again you can close it by just a little press and keep this in place. And in the back side of the device, you can find we have a clamp to fix in the stand, and here you can find your AC power socket, and here is a rubber. In this, if you open, you can find here is a VGA port, as well as here is a drip sensor port. So these are the exterior features about this device. So now let's move on and see how this device works. Okay, now let's see how this device works. First, to power on the device, you should just press the on button for 2 seconds, and you can hear a long beep along with the device when they do self-test. Once the self-test is done, it will show indicator like AC lost, because now we have not connected our AC power cord. We are working this device in battery. So this is our home screen. In home screen, you can find in top there is our battery indicator. Near battery indicator, you can find the volume level indicator, and in this corner you can find infusion mode. And in this red column, in the red column you can change your infusion set name. And in this you can find VTBA. VTBA means volume to be infused and volume button. And in bottom you can find VTBA button, volume button, and menu option. So now let's see the menu. In menu you can find running mode, IV set, infusion set, function, configuration, system, and patient info. In running mode, you can see here OK button, back button, and select button, move up and down button. In OK you click running mode, and you can see you can change your modes like rate mode, time mode, weight mode, stage mode, first dose, gradient, and micro mode. You can change these modes based on your use. Click back, and in next option you can find IV set. In IV set you can select IV set, like if you click OK you can find some IV set name, brands. You can just select which brand you are using, and otherwise you can just add which brand you are using IV set. You can just click by selecting, and you can just type it your brand, and you can delete, you can adjust, and you can set the temperatures. And in below third option you can see infusion set. In infusion set you can change pressure, bubble, KVO speed, and bolus speed. And infusion configuration, you can see key lock, drop module, landscape mode, eco mode, wireless set. And in system function you can see system information. You can change your time. You can change your time here. You can see display mode, battery info. You can in log you can see the information like what are the log of the system. And in patient info you can just include the patient details, like you can change the weight, sex, age, bed number and the patient ID you can change here. And now we can see how to place the IV tube. You just open this door, take your IV bottle, IV tube, set. As you can see, fine. Here is a path for the IV tube. Just keep the tube and press this tube inside, and you can find in bottom there is a lock. Just press this and insert the IV tube. Now you can see the IV tube is properly fixed. Once again, make sure that the IV tube is properly fixed. If not, alarm indicator will turn on, and just close. Now to start this device, just press the start button. Now you can see the light indicator shows that the device is running, and to stop, just press again. And you can increase the flow rate in here itself, like if you enter some numbers, like in numerical, if you need 5 liter, just press VTBI and you can change to 5 and you can select OK, and same as the rate you can change. And we can use purge by manual and automatic. For manual mode, press once and you can fix the rate dose in here, and to manual mode, press long press. Now the purge is doing. As you can find, I can see in the tube there is occlusions, so it's indicating the alarm. Find the purge button. To start press once. Here you can enter the rate, and you can keep bolus on. Otherwise you can just long press again. It will bolus. This is the end of the video. I hope all of you understood how this infusion pump works. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video.